We're the government and we're here to help. Well, I guess they would be frightening words for anybody, but certainly it's scary for the markets. And we have to look at what really happened last week. This massive $700 billion bailout of the markets should, in my opinion, never have happened if we just enforced the rules that were there already at the SEC. Chris Cox should be absolutely vilified and fired from his job as head of the SEC. But let's not dwell on what's happened in the past. Let's look to the future and see what we can do to make some money. So what we're looking at right now is a spot market of gold, and as you can see, we've had a pretty big move up from the beginning of 2000 to where we are right now in '08. So let's close up on this and let's take a couple of things that I think are worthwhile looking at in terms of periods and periodicity. So if we take this off the screen, we can see we had quite easily a high here, a high here, and a high here. If we measure that out, it looks to me we're going to see a high next February, and that's '09. Next February, possibly March. But I think we're going to see this market move up and actually go much, much higher potentially. But here's what we're looking at if we take this out. I'm going to close this up and make a closer look at the gold. As you know, we were looking for the gold market to come down, and we did in fact see it drop dramatically, but it didn't get to the levels that we thought it was going to go. We thought maybe we'd get down to this level here. Well, we missed it by a little bit, and the market's reversed. Now here are the levels you want to watch. These levels right here. If we take out this level here, the 980 level, we're going to go significantly higher. We could probably flip this over, so we go from 980 down to 740. That's $240. So we could see 11, 12, maybe 1250, $1,500 on gold. But it looks to me that this market's just beginning to wake up, and we're going to see a significant move in the months ahead in this market. But again, you want to use caution. I would say any pullbacks that you see in this market, any kind of pullbacks, you want to be a buyer. And I think you'll see the trend resume and start to go up. But let's take a look at our trade triangles and just see how they have done in the past week, which has been quite tumultuous to say the least. So let's get a little closer so you can all see. And I'm going to put our trade triangles in. And that's our daily trade triangles. As you can see, pretty nice buy right here. Actually, it was covering a short. But we'll put our weekly triangles in, and you'll get an idea where we are there. So here we are at 844.03. Looks like on 917 we had a buy signal to get long. The trend at that point in time with our trade triangle technology, so the trade triangle technology kicked in here. Now we use the weekly for trend and the daily for timing purposes. So here we are at the 844 level, right around here, and the market's currently trading, actually right as we speak, right around the 904 level. This is a weekly chart. It hasn't updated yet, but 904. So we're up to this level right here. So let's take a look at this market on a daily basis and say, okay, what do we want to do on a daily basis if this market actually pulls back, and where do we want to put our stops? Well, right now, our buy was, as I said, 844. Our stops are right around this level, the 820 level. I know it's a wide stop, but you have to have those type of stops in a wide swinging market. Otherwise, you'll get chopped to pieces. Now, tomorrow when this market opens, if we continue to remain fairly firm around these levels, around the 904 level, then our stops are going to be moved right up to here, the 860 zone, to protect capital and lock in a profit of about $15, which would be very nice. But we still feel that this market has to do is going higher, but it may have to do some work before it actually gets there. So this is Adam Hewison. I'm bullish on gold for the next 6 months. Let's see how it works out. This is Adam Hewison for Market Club and our trade triangle technology. All lights are go on this, and I see gold going higher. maybe to the detriment of the stock market, but I think more and more people are going to be looking to get into gold as a safe haven.